Okay, Sylvain, live here. We are now live. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone here on CES on Eureka Park. Hello, everyone around the world within my global village.
Hello,
Welcome, Sylvain.
everyone all around the world. Hello to all of you. Should we start already with the pitch competition? Are we ready with the technique now?
Obviously, we are. We have a fear that we had no connection, but everything is fixed now. We have very, very few time, but let me tell you guys, because we're going to pitch out, that all these guys coming up from all over the world, you got investor, you got integrator, VAR, end user. For instance, I say hi to Lionel. Lionel is one of our heroes in Europe because he turned sick people from the COVID into high-speed train. We have a top investor, and so they will be the jury. But dear candidate and dear people, we also have jury here around the stage. So please, jury members, raise your hand. And please, dear startup, give a very warm welcome to host I don't hear you guys. Okay, yeah. They are here. They came with money. They want to invest in your startups. So Sylvain, that's your turn.
Let's start now with the show. Let's start now with the pitch competition. And we are very, very happy to start with Asia and with South Korea today. Thank you very much for being with us today. And we start with AI for Pet, is the company name, Pet Healthcare Application. Where is AI for
AI for Pet, ladies and gentlemen? A very warm welcome to this first Korean candidate ever in my global village.
Okay,
welcome to the global village. You know the rules? Which are the rules?
You know the rules is 90 seconds pitch. 90 seconds, okay?
You got 90 seconds to convince the investor, and right after, if you convince,
we have timekeeper, okay? We have a timekeeper. Switzerland is a watchmaking country, so precision for us is very important. You are the timekeeper. Are you ready?
Do you have okay, TTK? Is that your? Okay, 90 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Go for Korea.
Go back.
Can I get?
Oh, sorry.
Hi, I'm Jay from AI for Pet. You probably know that the pet industry has been growing constantly and the idea of a pet has been changed to a member of family or friend. However, it's still not easy to find good quality information about pet health. In this circumstance, there was a paper researched and published by veterinary school professors and AI professors. AI can analyze pictures of dogs' eyes for symptoms of disease. Based on this paper, we developed a simple, smart, and innovative app for pet. Simply take a picture of your pet's eyes or skins with your smartphone. Then we, TTK, will detect any symptoms of disease related to eyes or skins. We also guide you on how to manage your pet based on age, breed, and disease history. We will, starting with the launching of the English service in April 2022, we will launch our service in Germany, Japan, and all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It's never easy to start the competition. He did it, and he did it well. Congratulations, Akay Lim. Thank you.
90-second pitch. It's a great challenge. Congratulations.
Here on that room, you got Annick Valentin-Smith. She's bringing a group of pet medical industry. I think she'll be extraordinarily interested by your technology. Who's going to be the next?
All startups, don't forget to tell why. What are you looking for here at the CES? Is it investors, buyers, partner, etc., etc.? So the next one is also a South Korean company, AI for dental problems, ICLO. Are you with us, ICLO?
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome for ICLO from Korea. Welcome.
So I think it's a video, right?
It's a video.
Yes, okay. So let's start the video. So the next slide.
Hello. By the way, my name is Billy Kim. I came from South Korea.
The white screen just below the Iclo. Yes, this is the video. Yeah, exactly.
It's a video.
You have to put play. That's
Okay. I would like to introduce iClo. iClo is dental care company. The reason why we made iClo is a simple curiosity. One of our company is related to the dental industry. So we meet dentists every day, we see patients every day, and suddenly we wonder why people come to dentist after they get painful sickness. And through the survey, we find out 4 main reasons. Cost, not important. Time, scary. Those reasons people don't go dentist earlier. So therefore, we decide to make application called My Dentist, which is, this is the machine, and it can regular check our teeth, regular inform the cavity at home. And for making this app, we basically need 4 points. The first one is data and tool and cooperation with dentist and deep learning AI. Now we have 500,000 cavity photos and 25 dentalists, 2 university hospital corporations, and other camera machine with deep learning AI. We assume this business can be expanded worldwide because cavity doesn't care about the country. Or human teeth cavity is very similar. In conclusion, as we can quickly start this business as possible, people can save time, money, and convenience. This is why we come to the CES. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. It was ICLO. After the pet sector, we have the dental sector, a very huge one. The third company will be Mine, another South Korean company.
Okay, my ladies and gentlemen, Mine, please a very warm welcome to Mine and from Korea. Welcome.
Thank you.
Mine. Huh?
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 한국에서 온 마인앱 대표 박가리라고 합니다. I can speak in English actually. And turn on the screen please. 여러분 안녕하세요. 한국 분들 모이세요. 켜져 있나요? So, can you guys listen well? Okay, so I'm starting. Hello, I am Christine Park, the CEO of Mine. Our service is called Inner Child, is for personalizes mental health care. So as you can see, our adorable UI makes our users record their daily life. So as users record their life, the users can be analyzed as sentimental and activity and their thoughts. And the data is sent to the psychological experts before they start their business. Services. So as you can see, oh, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't. Oh, here. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah, it works. Okay, go ahead. So we have a 5 steps patented AI technology analyzes the user's data, and they show what is the problem in their deep minds. In this case, the experts review the contents of the counseling, which decreases labor forces, and they accept more users, which makes more revenue for the experts. Also, the user can get both qualitative and quantitative mind reports from Okay, mind the reports. And this is our team. And we want to make a global mental health care services for psychological experts and then clients. Thanks for giving me opportunity for this presentations. If you have if you want to contact me, please contact me this answers. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to have you.
Gentlemen, congratulations, the first candidate. Ladies and gentlemen, jury here on the CES, but distance and remote jury, prepare your question for the candidate, and all candidates keep up, because after every presentation, we will give you live the score you got thanks to the jury.
Exactly. After 3 starters, we will have a Q&A session. So don't hesitate, urge your members to prepare all your questions. So the first company after South Korea, we are back to Europe with the French company, Cryosux.
Okay.
Click and freeze. Click and freeze.
Click and freeze.
Concept.
Click and freeze. Are you here?
Cryosux, are you here?
Are you here?
No Cryosux, right?
Allez,
Yes,
run,
okay.
run.
Run on the stage. With your blue eyes
Okay.
on your leg.
You ready? Okay, you're gonna have 90 seconds to
Okay,
convince the jury member.
Is it the correct slide? No, it isn't.
No. Michael.
Please stay in the
No?
technique.
Okay.
Next. Martinel, you have to stay at the technique, please. Yes, it's arrived. Okay, here we are. You have 90 seconds.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Sorry, I finished my preparation for Las Vegas Marathon. I start my recovery session, and I am stay at you. I'm very happy. Hello, my name is Guillaume Modelski, a fondateur at startup Cryosux at Montpellier.
Yeah.
Okay, Cryosux is an innovative mask recovery solution pneumatic. You can allow to easily slip it your bag, your short bag, when you travel. Autonomous, you needn't for plug-in and wire electric. You are freedom of the movement to continue in your activity, for example, at the beach in Las Vegas. When you travel, when you sleep, when you watch TV. The creations... sorry. Yes, on va revenir sur celle d'avant. Okay. The Cryosux range is valid and developed with a community of professional and amateur athletes. We need go to the Olympic Games in Tokyo. I have partnerships with the Sport Bonds and the INSEP, Institut National of Performance, for the Olympic Games in Paris 2024. If your legs are hurting, I'm waiting for you to the French Tech.
10 seconds.
10 secondes. Et voilà. Et tac.
5 seconds.
5 seconds, it's finished. It's okay.
Finished. Okay. It was already finished. Congratulations. Applause. A big applause for Cryosux. Click and freeze. Thank you so much. After France, we continue with my country, where you are here with a Swiss company, a HealthTech company with BioSpectral MedTech device for high blood pressure. Please come back on the stage. You are the next in competition. Please, Elliot, you have the mic.
Thank you very much.
The presentation should be ready. Yes, are you the device?
I don't have the clicker.
Where's the clicker now? You.
Still, and pointed here?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, here.
The target is here.
Yeah. Okay, BioSpectral, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Hi,
90
Mike.
seconds. Good luck.
Great. My name is Elliot Jones. I'm CEO of BioSpectral, the Zahn Switzerland company. Do you know that the fact of life is that somebody you know is going to suffer from or potentially even die from high blood pressure in your lifetime. Half of the US population, in fact, is hypertensive, causes over 10 million deaths per year. And worldwide, 1.4 billion people suffer from hypertension. And tracking it regularly is the biggest problem in managing it. What we have done is taken this old-fashioned, outdated technology and completely virtualize that old-fashioned, bulky, uncomfortable cuff into pure software, deployed both through smartphone apps, distributable anywhere in the world, and then today at CES, announcing the next extension of that, the BioDisc, which is the same software ported to purpose-built devices, the easiest possible use case for measuring your blood pressure. We just raised a seed round of $5 million. We're proceeding through a regulatory process, targeting launch at the end of this year, beginning of 2023. And we're seeking A-round investors and partners to proceed through the scale-up and global distribution process. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Applause for BioSpectral. Thank you so much. The blood pressure issue is definitely a huge market. So good luck for your CES. I just got information it's difficult to hear us with a mask, so it's no more mandatory to wear a mask on the stage for the next startups. Before starting the first Q&A session with our team members, our last startup of the first batch is a French startup, non-on-sat healthcare for domestic pets, but a huge market, the domestic pet. So please welcome on the stage. You have the mic, you have the presentation probably. Mike Lionel, yeah? No, it's the next one. Okay, yes, here we are. You have the device. Who is responsible for the device?
No need. You can start this film. It's a movie.
Oh, it's a movie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the movie. Marc Lionel, let's start the movie.
Hi everybody, I'm Philip. I'm glad to be here and to introduce you, Kermi, too. I think that everybody has a cat or a dog. Our mission is to allow the pets to live longer and better. So we are engineer, bioinformatics, we are veterinarian, and we have developed and manufactured this product. It means that every day, every week, I will collect the information on the health and the behavior of my cat or a small dog. Very easy with the application. I collect the information and I can transfer to the vet. You know that for only 1 year for one cat, I will collect more than 25,000 information on the health and behavior of the animal. We are discussing about 500,000 data along his life. So we have finalized the product, and right now we are interested to install the numeric platform, allowing us to come from the preventive medicine to the predictive medicine. So we are here to find a partner, local partner, of course, but also to have financial partners, allowing us to go deeper and faster in the preventive medicine for our animals. Thank you.
Thank you very much. A big applause. It was Laurence at HealthTech for Domestic Pets. We are looking for financial partners. It's exactly the goal of such session because the competition is, of course, very important. But behind the competition, something more important is really to be connected to the correct partners, to the correct investors, to the adapted key partners, right, Marc Lionel?
Definitely. Sylvain, it's time for questions from the jury. At that time, maybe some jury members have questions for our candidates. So can we, Michael, have the sound from the Zoom connected to the rest of the people? So guys, do you hear me? Do you have any one of you, maybe Lionel, any questions for the candidate?
Yes, for my dentist, for the teeth.
We don't have any sound.
Yes.
You have the sound?
It's on your machine, yes, Michael. From now on, we don't hear you so much.
Okay. I send you by...
You don't know. Just the sound, Michael. Lionel?
Yes,
No, is it,
you understand
yeah,
me?
the sound from your computer, not mine, your. Okay, I suggest we
I think we can hear Michael, huh?
say something, Lionel, just to see if we hear you here.
Are you hear me?
Yes, yes. Michael,
Okay,
can we increase the sound? Okay, we can listen to your question. For which candidate you have question?
My dentist. My question is why you just use kids and you don't use your camera for adults?
Say what?
Oh, can you repeat? We didn't hear so well. Can you try again?
Yes, for my dentist.
From my dentist. Where is my dentist? Come on, come here.
Why you just use your camera for pediatrics and not for adults too?
Okay, do you understand the questions? 30 seconds. Okay. Can you repeat the question? Yes, we're sorry for technical problem, but can you just, Lionel, repeat the question?
For your device, your target is kids. Why you don't use a target of adults too?
Yes, why do you target the child and not the adult? Yes, why? What one specific target?
What do you mean one specific target?
Yes, obviously you have chosen to target child, or is that adult?
고객층으로 대상을 삼았냐고요. 아이들 엄마들은 아이들 치아를 걱정을 한다. 그래서 아이들 위해서 엄마들이 걱정을 덜기 위해서 아이들이 초기에 충치나 이런 것들을 조기 교육을 시키기 위해서요. Because children have a hard time detecting their own cavity as opposed to adults who have a much more easier time understanding when they'll have a cavity.
Okay,
of course, the product is developed so that anyone could utilize it to detect cavity in its early stages, but children are more vulnerable because they are not intelligent enough to detect their own cavity.
Okay, does it answer to your question? Thank you very much. Some other questions, remembers? Some other questions? Not any. Okay, so now. Okay, it's all right, Michael. We finished the question. Let's go back to the.
Okay, no more question here. Oh.
Okay.
I think you can mute the sound of Zoom.
Isn't it a computer, Michael? Not mine.
Hey, what? You say you don't want to tell me what to fucking do. Come on. You said to go back to the PowerPoint. So to go back. Okay. Yeah. This sound is here. This is the one that makes. I muted it. I muted it. Okay. So I got someone else.
Okay, let's go ahead. Yes, I give you the microphone. Okay, we are back. We are back here on the Swiss Pavilion. We are back here at the Swiss Pavilion for the second part of this speech competition. Thank you very much for being with us, Smart Macadam from France. To get older in good condition, I think it's good review what you are offering. Okay, I will. The timekeeper, where is my timekeeper? Timekeeper?
Like, this is, where is it coming from?
Very good position, timekeeper.
This one.
Okay, we have a lot of echo. Yeah, but it was good before. It was perfectly. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Okay, great. We are back with technical issue, but it's a reality of the live sessions. Okay, Smart Bakalam, are you ready?
Can I have just the...
Oh, yes, sure.
Thank you very much.
Okay, it's time for you. Good luck.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hello, my name is Julie, and I'm 75 years old. I'm retired since 10 years, and I have 3 children and 7 grandchildren. Being old is the best we can hope for, right? But for a couple of time now, I have memory lapses. I feel more and more alone, and I have difficulties to talk with my relatives. I'm afraid I might have Alzheimer's disease. One of my friends has caught it, and his family is completely lost. But thanks God, my doctor told me about my MedTech. Have you heard about my MedTech? It is a medical device. It is great. With my MedTech application, I never forget anything. I can communicate with my family and friends. I can simulate my memory, and I even be able to manage my remote control, my 3 remote controls of my TV setup. I can invite as many people as I want to share my daily life with the application. And the best part is that MedTech is very smart. It seems to understand and to anticipate all of my needs and my difficulties. Agenda, memos, memories, games, guidance, advices. MedTech is all of that at the same time for me and my whole tribe. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was Smart Bakaram to get urban good conditions. The silver economy is a huge market. Thank you so much. Okay. Now we go ahead with another French company, Deep Arrival from France, make the multimedia green. Are you with us? Yes, you are. Okay, please take the device. Now you don't need one slide. Okay, so is it your slide? Okay, correct. Okay, let's go. Ready? Good luck.
Today, the amount of medical images and videos produced by digital health systems is becoming very huge. Consequently, it causes big challenges for hospitals and medical centers, especially in terms of transmission or archiving data and costs. In this context, Deep River offers the green IT technology, an all-in-one software, which not only reduces significantly the amount of data, but also allow to transmit additional information in one and single file at no cost. This is the paradox of Deep River. We reduce the cost, but we transmit more data. Let's take an example of 1 hour of full HD endoscopic camera recording. With Deep River, we can reduce its size from 7 terabytes to 11 gigabytes with 1 gigabits of additional information included in this file transparently. This video can be enriched with clinical parameters, MRI sections, audiovisual comments, and so on. Today, we are looking for new partners to co-develop a pilot project like we did with the Geneva University Hospitals, which will integrate Deep River license in their database systems by the end of this year. So let's enrich the multimedia world together and make it greener. Thank you.
Timing perfect but respected. Thank you so much and good luck for your investor search. After France, back to Switzerland with 2 companies now from Switzerland. The first one, my Elixir. Sylvia, are you with us? Sylvia, are you with us? Yes, it's time for you, yes. Please join me on the stage. It's your slot. My Elixir from Switzerland, trusted ally for healthy aging, silver economy as well. Please take the device if you need it. Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, are you ready, Sylvia? Yeah? Okay, okay, okay.
Just a second.
Okay, Sylvia from Elixir. Good luck. 90 seconds.
Hello, everyone. This is Silvia. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Elixir. Our vision is to be the trusted ally for healthy aging. And what we are doing is support family members that are not living at the same pace of their parents to help them on daily activities. Elixir has an holistic approach to seniors' needs, from hydration to medicine, food, entertainment, safety. And the first needs we are tackling is hydration. 75% of adults suffer of chronic dehydration. Dehydration is one of the top 10 reasons for hospitalization, and this kind of issue that leads to life-threatening disease. For seniors, this situation is even worse. Elixir proposes Elixir Hydration Band. This is an ergonomic brand that can be wrapped to any bottle of glass. It measures how much you drink. It reminds you to drink regularly. And all the data are sent real time to Elixir app that is used by family members. We already have more than 2,000 pre-orders, and we are ready to launch it in the market in March, in a couple of months, in the US, Japan, and a few European countries. Thanks for your attention. We are here looking for partners to accelerate our geographical footprint. Thank you, everyone.
Accelerate, accelerate, accelerate is the key word, I think, during the CES 2022 in Las Vegas. Thank you so much, Sylvia. Okay, 2 startups to go. After these both startups, we have a second Q&A session with our jury members. I would like to welcome on the stage a second 3 startup, Fusion Lab Technology. Fusion Lab, are you with us? I hope. Yes, you are here. Please join me on the stage. Okay, you do you have any slides?
I do.
Yes. Okay, here we are. You have 90 seconds.
Hello everyone. My name is Maël. I'm the co-founder of Biped. What I'm wearing on me right now is the future of mobility for blind and visually impaired people. There's nearly 2 million blind people in the US, 3 million in Europe, and the problems they often face is detecting all the obstacles that are in front of them that the white cane cannot detect, detecting objects that are within their field of view theoretically, but that just represent future obstacles, and finally navigating to new places for which they currently require the help of their relatives. So yet we see in the streets autonomous vehicles, especially in San Francisco these days with Cruise, for example, hitting the roads autonomously. Based on that, we developed Biped. Biped is an AI copilot for blind and visually impaired people. The device, thanks to its cameras, will detect, track, and predict the trajectories of all surrounding elements a few seconds in advance, and it can warn the user using bone conduction headphones and 3D feedback to tell them there's a car coming, for example, in your direction, or there's a pedestrian that is on the sidewalk walking towards you. It can highly filter the information. And here's a quick demo, if the video runs through, of our internal software, where it can detect the walkable area, it can detect the surrounding objects, it can detect what is important versus what's not. And we have a live demo at our booth right there. We're looking for investment for a follow-up of our seed round that we just closed, and potential partners and distributors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was Biped, AI co-pilot for blind people. Last but not least for this session today, HealthTech and MedTech session, Ergo. Ergo, are you with us? Yes, you are. So welcome on the stage. Microphone. Yes, correct. And yes, the slide is here. No slide.
I send them.
Oh, we don't have any slides apparently.
Okay, well.
Is it okay for you?
Yeah, I mean, I have no other choice.
Thank you so much. Okay.
I'll do with it.
So,
well, I don't need it, so.
90 seconds. Good luck.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so today there is 1.7 billion people suffering from musculoskeletal disorders in the world. So those disorders, also known as your low back pain after a full day at work, or your elbow pain if you've been gardening all weekend. So that's a huge amount, 1.7 billion. And this costs total of $50 billion to the society in the US every year. So we need to do something. And the first step to act on this is actually to know where does this pain come from. And that's where our product Ergolife comes into play. So Ergolife is basically a next generation ergonomic assessment platform that we built to provide ergonomics 2.0 capabilities to basically everyone, professional and also people at home. How does it work? It's pretty simple. You wear a couple of sensors, you have a software on your tablet or on your computer, and then I would have shown you otherwise, but it shows you how you're moving, and it shows you which joints would be at stress. So it will help you better improve how you move and improve how you carry things, for instance, by basically reducing the risk for any strains on your back or any joint of your body. Basically, what we want to do is focus on your well-being, is focus on how you move, and to help you being self-aware of your body and reduce any risk that could happen to you. So basically, I don't have anything to show you now for because of the technical difficulties, but we're on our booth on the French Tech, so please come by and I'll show you, and I'd be happy to do it.
We are at the end of this session of HealthTech MedTech. We will start now with short, because we are a little bit late.
A little bit late.
Short Q&A session.
Okay, guys, one or two questions maybe. We'll try to have the sounds again, but we have a technical issue. Can we try to do it, Michael, or is it dangerous? Okay, who's going to have a question for a candidate, guys, member of the jury? Who wants to ask a question? Yeah, Mike, I know. Can you turn off, mute up your, please? That's why we have an echo. Michael Miller is not muted. Okay, I think we won't have, oh yes, we still have. Okay, who's got a question? Lionel?
Yes, I just sent you for BPED. Have you done a trial in real life?
BPED?
Yeah, so there's a lot of echo. Okay, so our device is a class 1 medical device, and we have been going through usability trials, and we're in the process of getting the CE mark of the device and getting the FDA listing.
Okay, thank you very much for the question. Lionel?
Okay, some other questions, guys, jury member, integrator. Do you have any question? No more questions. So, dear jury members, I remind you that you have a blue button. Can you turn off the echo? Okay, yes. Okay, let's go on with the echo. I'm sorry about that. Yes, the question, dear jury member, remember that you have a blue button. If you switch on the blue button, you can connect with the startup that seduces you. You're interested? Connect me with the startup. The startup will receive your mail, name, and of course the opposite. So that's the first point. The second point, now you have ranked up all the startups. So please finish the voting. And when it's vote, David, can you just publish here on stage the, can we have the image live, please, Sébastien? Can we have the... Okay, so after that, can we have, David, the final result, please?
Sure.
David, can we have the result live? Il y a des jours comme ça. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, so here are the three, ladies and gentlemen, winners. Number 3.
Number 3, Biospectral, Swiss company, congratulations. The second one?
The second one is ICLO, my dentist. So congratulations. We can give a warm applause to the winner if you come. I don't know if the candidates are here. And Fusion Lab Technology is number one. Where is Fusion Lab? Yeah. Fusion Lab, come on, ladies and gentlemen. That guy is the number one. Are you happy? So you will be supported by media. We have 20 media partners. You will receive welcome pack to any territory of the world wanted to invest, and they will provoke. And of course, you have qualified through all the My Global Village events all years long in Spain for Mobile World Congress. Will be in 4 continents. So congratulations, and congratulations to all the candidates, because you are now in the spectrum of our investors, our integrators, and our fallen users. You don't want to say one word? Yes, come, just one word. So it's we have short of time, but say something.
Yeah, thank you very much. We really appreciate the support and helping us in this journey to make the lives of blind and visually impaired people easier. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are late. Sorry for the technical problem. We'll make it much better. In about a quarter, we will start the SportTech and EdTech competition with new candidates. How many candidates for the next
Exactly.
session?
We have 11 candidates, also from South Korea, from France, from Switzerland, from many other countries.